Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pounds Firearms. Today we are going over a new offering from AAC for 7x28. So the original is the SS197 from FN. Brass case, blue polymer tip. It's a VMAX 40 grain. This came out a few months ago. This is a Fiocchi 5x7. They got three different types. This one is painted with a black tip, but it's the 40 grain hollow point. Also brass with a black tip, not to be confused with the SS190s. And the newest member here is the AAC. They did a little something different here. Their brass is stained, still 40 grain with a red tip. Stay tuned, see how this new one shoots.